stuffy nose, you wanna slap your face. So there's a lot of sinus congestions, right? And you got stuffy nose, you can't breathe. So what you're gonna do is you're going to get some, I'm at my sink, you get some warm water, and you're gonna slap your face with warm water. So why is that important? Because there's two main reasons why you have stuffy, your nose is stuffed. One is swelling, right? Your nasal passages usually should be this open. Now, because they're swollen, they're smaller, right? Second reason why you'll have stuffy nose is because the mucus. Your body's going to secrete mucus in response to allergens, right? So first thing in the morning, what you should do is you should slap your face with some warm water. Why? Warmth invigorates, cold stagnates. So when you put warm water on your nose and your face, that decreases the inflammation. It also allows the mucus to drain, right? So yes, all that snot's gonna come out, and that's what you want, because you don't want it stuck in there because it creates a sinus infection. That's how you get sinus infection, because it stays in there. So you want to spew that gunk out, right? So make sure you hit the follow button for more